Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set default app on Windows 11. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my computer with Windows 11, and first of all I'm going to go to my setting. So I'm going to click on the start menu and we can click on the settings, and to set default app on your Windows 11 you can either go to the home or you can go to the apps menu. It's the same because on both of them you will get the default apps option, and I'm just going to select my apps and then select the default apps, and you can choose a default for your application. For example, here I'm going to choose default app for my browser app. For my browser, I'm going to select, for example, the Google Chrome. So we can click on the Google Chrome and then we can click on set default right here. Okay, and now my Google Chrome has become default app for browser. Okay, basically you just need to click on the app and then you can click on set default to make it as your default app on your Windows 11. Okay guys, and that's all the way to set default app on Windows 11. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.